PlaySide welcomes Shiba Eternity. This is actually good news that got dropped today. Oh my goodness. We are proud to reveal the name of the SHIB CCG game, Shiba Eternity. Now we're working alongside Playstudios on a testing schedule and exciting release. The game will be available in both Apple App Store and Google Play Store as well. This is a little bit of an interesting rendering that we're seeing here, good graphics and everything like that. Now, when I wanted to go look at the Twitter page, the banner of Playstudios, I see this here, and I can imagine seeing a Shiba in here in the future as well. This is Playstudios, this is their Twitter page, over 44,000 followers already, video game company, AAA game developer, 150 plus devs, 50 plus games as well. Now, when I go look at this and backtrack, I remember seeing this. PlaySide, Beams, Shiba, oh my, something is cooking in the pipeline. And then I went further back, 𝐿-𝐶 was kind of giving us a little bit of a hint on what's happening in terms of an incoming storm that you see right here. And let's talk more about Shiba Eternity and Playstudios right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. I can imagine Shiba in here, a video game. Can you imagine what that would do to not only the SHIB army, but Shiba Eternity? Let's go. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Now, 𝐿-𝐶 warned us about things are coming down the pipeline. So when I did my research and I looking at PlaySide on their website, and I'm seeing interesting things here. I'm seeing news articles about games, also seeing the latest game that came out, and look at some of these latest games. Batman, Jumanji, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles here, Toy Warfare, I should say, Monkey Robes. Can you imagine a Shiba game getting in here? So if I click on one of these right now, you can actually start playing this once it's actually out. And the fact that you can use Google Play Store and Apple Store, that makes this a fantastic partnership here. So proud to reveal the name of the SHIB CCG game. Be tuned, stay tuned. What's going to happen next? I think this is a great news for the SHIB army, and the fact that they're joining along brands like this that's already been out there, Jumanji, SpongeBob, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, Batman, and others. I just look forward to seeing what's going to happen to Shiba down the road. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Shiba just more than the project, ladies and gentlemen. This is a powerful company and movement. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.